Hi, I'm Matt Frazier with Panasonic Lumix, and today we're talking about the S1RII and the S1II. Don't worry about the confusion. It's pretty simple. R means resolution, which means this one can do 8K video, while this model here is our 6K camera with a really high-speed sensor that gives you awesome 120 frame per second 4K video. For production, what people have really been enjoying with this product is something we call hybrid zoom. So this camera has got a 24 to 105 millimeter lens on it right now, but when I don't shoot 6K, if I shoot 4K, I can actually give you a much longer reach on the zoom. In fact, in 1080 right now, I'm giving you a full 288 millimeter focal length because it progressively crops the sensor at the same time. And one of the drawbacks to a lot of these mirrorless style cameras or SLR style cameras, they don't give you a lot of professional video tools. Panasonic does give you access to false color. We give you access to waveform monitors and vector scopes, and they even speak in dB of gain instead of ISO. They can even do shutter angle. So that's a quick overview of what the S1R2 and S1II are capable of. If you want more information, check us out at shop.panasonic.com. Search for Lumix.